How to calculate age from date of birth in Excel. In this tutorial, you will learn if you have lot of date of birth or a single date of birth, then how you can calculate your age from today's date or from a specific date. Also, you will learn how you can calculate your months and days along with your number of years in your age. So please watch this video till end so you don't miss out any steps. If you are watching the video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. First of all, what are the formulas or which formula to use to calculate age in Excel? So there are many formulas you can use to calculate age in Excel, but the most and easiest formula is two formulas we'll discuss here to calculate your age in Excel. You should use the today function to calculate age up to today in Excel. The today function is the simple function. You can type equal to today, open the bracket and close the bracket. So it will show the exact today date, and whenever you open the Excel file, automatically the same default date or same date based on your system, it will reflect in your Excel. So now from that date, how I can use the date of birth? So you have to use DATEDIF or date difference formula in Excel. DATEDIF, open the bracket. This is my date of birth. Now I can either use this date or I can type inside today and comma. Now here, what is the format I want? This is the main text or criteria. So I want in year. So you can type Y with a double quote, either in small letter or capital letter, and close the bracket. So now it will show that you are 36 years of age based on this date of birth. So if you want to calculate age in months in Excel, then you have to use equal to DATEDIF, open the bracket, same formula. You have to use the date of birth, comma, today, open the bracket, close the bracket, comma. Here you need to type month. It means it will show how many total months. So I have 432 months. But from here, I don't want all the months. I want after deducting the year. So I will type YM. So it will show only months from my date of birth. Here in days, I can type equal to date if, open the bracket, your date of birth, comma, today, comma, in double quote, you can type D. So that it will show how many total days. But instead of total days, if you want to exclude your year and month, then you have to type MD. So it will exclude month and date. My today's date is 29/9/21. Because of that, it is showing exactly 0 month, 0 days. In the next example, I have reduced 5 months. So here, if I copy the formula down, it will show me the exact 5 months here. Similarly, if I copy down, it will show how many days. So here I have 20 days. So from 29 to 9, 20. So now you can identify that you are 36 years, 5 months and 20 days. You can use your CONCAT formula to combine the age in years, months and days. If you want to learn more about the CONCAT formula or text join formula, so text join formula is more advanced than your CONCAT or concatenate formula in Excel. So if you want to learn more, you can find that video link in the description below. So if you like the video, then please like and share. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe to get the notification for new videos. Thanks for watching.